party people. I was editing this video and realized there's no outro, so we're doing the outro here in my backyard. It's an abandoned shed. Let's go look what's inside really quick. I haven't looked inside. Actually, no, it's not, because there's a skunk that lives under there. I just remembered. But yeah, so today's video, Faith and I went to a new creek. Unfortunately, it's a really popular swimming spot, so there's a lot of people there. We did find one area where there was fish. I wasn't really allowed to explore either. I'm not allowed. Didn't really get a chance to walk down the creek more because we were only there for like an hour. We did catch fish though, so that's pretty cool, and I was able to make a video out of it. So yeah, we're also on our way to get monetized, so if you guys want to help out, just make sure to smash the thumbs up, drop a comment, share the video with friends, and subscribe if you guys have not yet, because we're trying to get this video out there. We'll get all the videos out there. If you can do all those things, and I know you guys can, and if you want to help me, I'd greatly appreciate it, because that's what gets those videos out there, is all the likes, comments, and shares and stuff. And lets the algorithm know that, hey, this video is more popular than others. So yeah, we just need viewing hours to get monetized. So if you guys want to help out, it'd be very awesome. There probably won't be an outro, and we'll probably just start on the water. Next time we go to this place, we're definitely going to go there early in the morning, because there's people swimming there, like I said, kids throwing rocks in the water. It is what it is. Yeah, I have a feeling there could be some giant smallmouth there. So thank you guys for watching the video, and hope you guys enjoy it. Well, we weren't recording, and I got, ooh, these guys are freaking feisty, dude. This guy put up a good little fight. I had to tighten my drag a little bit, but we weren't recording, but that's first fish. See ya, bud. Okay, so we weren't recording again, I guess. I don't know what's going on. That's second fish. Thought we were recording. See ya, bud. Nice. Faith's got one over there. Or a little pumpkin seed or something. Is there a fish on the end of this? Nope. Oh, what is that? No, it's getting snagged up on something down there. I just popped off. Got one. Oh, dude, this one, I don't know if it feels bigger than the other ones. Dude, these smallmouth put up fights, dude. Where is he? Where is he? There he is. He's like same size. They're all like, dude, he's running. He's, This one's a little bigger. Ooh, hey, buddy. We're recording, hey. Oh my God. This one's almost about a pound. Got him out. Oh. Tough little fighter, dude. This guy put up a fight, almost about a pound. Oh, dude, these smallmouth are so freaking aggressive. Okay, so we kept breaking off on the Ned, so we got the tightrope baby firework. Hopefully this won't keep getting snagged up every cast. It's either I'm catching a fish or I'm breaking off. Yeah, we're here 30 minutes so far. I've made probably 10 casts, caught 3 fish, and broken off 4 times. So I really don't want to leave and give up, but this looks like a juicy little hole. I forgot I need to put line on this rod too. I really suck at not putting a line on rods. Like, I convince myself I do somehow, and then I just don't. That's one. Oh, he jumped. Oh, he's jumping again. Stay down. Stay down, buddy. Woohoo! Yep. They're biting. I just keep breaking off, so I had to go get a new setup. All right. And we're recording too. Bro's got the eye of Sauron right there, dude. It's like a dead eye. All right. These guys are fun. There he swims off. Hell yeah. The line's moving. Yep. It's a little dinker. Little rock bass. Little Ozark. Alright. Little rock bass.